Welcome back to my channel Crypto Selling. Today I will share with you about a new project named as Papyscape. Papyscape is not a meme coin, it's a message. It's not just another token. It's a spark of digital revolution born from the darknet. I will share all the detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future and you can get to know about more potential projects and do your own research before investing any kind of project. I will just give you the video details and do your own research before investing in it. In your time, I will start review this brilliant project named as Papyscape. As you know about the Papyscape, the financial system is rigged. Crypto was our way out until the hijacked that too. Papyscape is the last stand, a decentralized rebellion powered by memes, codes, and collective deficiencies. Born from the darknet, its signal not just a token. This is not just a coin; it's a counter strike. So you can see, bring your friend and earn dollar PASIC here. So you can see it here. It is a Papyscape and it's named as dollar PESC, and you can easily be able to be a part of their pre-sale. Buy dollar Papyscape token now, and it will end in 4 days, 5 hours. 12 minutes, so you can easily be able to get it. Your purchase, your stakeable, everything is given. 1 is equal to 0.000356, and you can even buy it from Ethereum, BNB card, etc. You can see, first of all, you have to connect the wallet. So I will just touch on connect. You have to select, will just can touch on connect wallet. You can see it here, it is connected here. You can easily connect that wallet from here too. You can easily now buy it with a USDT. If you want to buy it with a 100 USDT, you can see that amount of you can get the dollar Papyscape from here too. You can buy and stake for 280% rewards from here. You can see all the ratings is given. You can see all their details, and they have the fair pre-sale, no insider, no VCS, 100% fair community launch, no private sale, no team wallets, no back door entries. Everyone start equal, true DeFi coin. So you can see all their details is given here. You can see it here. They have all details. You can get to know about that. It is the meme coin. It's just a message. So no VCS, no insider, no elite. This is for the people, and the door is still open but not for long. Here we can see the Papyscape is building a system that can control a decentralized exchange that pay the people AI resistance tools to stop manipulation, wealth distribution. Every buy is a middle finger to the system. Every meme is a battle cry. This is not hype, it's award. Papyscape gives access for all 5 escape projects. So you can see the referral link. You can go for that from here too. The people blockchain revolution, the crypto elite, Harvard profits, they are changing, and you can see that you can easily be able to generate profit from here too. They have basically given here the details about the 5 escape, and by holding dollar Papyscape, users are automatically part of 5 income generating protocols. E for exchange, S for sniper wealth, C for communism, and A for artificial intelligence, and P for protocol. So for exchange, community on DEX, and sniper wealth, algorithm trading shared with holders. C for communism, equal voting, redistribution of profits. Artificial intelligence, they are using the AI governance and audit protocols, wealth caps, and anti-manipulation. 1 token, 5 revenue stream. This is not just DeFi, it's an intelligent resistance. So furthermore, here I will share with you their high yield staking. You can get high yield staking up to here 280% percent APR rewards from here. On passive income just by holding dollar Papyscape, and stake vaults offer up to 280% APR auto compounded. So early adopters earn the most, first in first rewarded, while other vault you can earn, stake, and multiply. You can see it here, stake and make, all details given. Resistance system is given. You can see, and resisting the system, the more you able to get, the more you get. It is the high yield staking up to 280% here reward. So all detail is given. Furthermore, I will share with you about the tokenomics. You can see it here. They have the total supply which is given here. From that, pre-sale is 30%, liquidity is 12.5%, marketing is 20%, staking is 37%, and total supply is also given. You can see their contract address is given, built-in burn mechanism plus transaction tax is given. You can see it here. They have the rising value over time. Every trade strengthens the token base. Supply drops, price climbs, and simple math. So you can see it here. Now I will share with you about the further details, which is the referral programs here. So you can see, I will just touch on that. You can see it here, the roadmap, narrative drop, introduce the freescape. You can see it here. I will share their details about the community. They have the phase one, the second phase is about the resistance grows, and the third phase is about the great escape. The you can see other scape, you can see the all details about 2025 roadmaps and also 2026 and beyond. They are going for the new system here. So phase 1 is their stealth launch and meme, and phase 2 for the meme and warfare, and phase 3 for their full decentralization air development. They are not waiting for permission, they are building the scape in real time. So if I go further, here is there about the FAQs is given. You can see that I already share with you. You can also get the referral earning from here too, and in that referral program you can see they have the viral growth engine, invite friends and earn lifetime reward from everywhere, and custom referral links, passive income commission, great for influencer creators or alpha callers. Get paid to spread the escape. The more you share, the more you can earn. You can see 50% you can earn from referral, and 50% friends earn from you too. So they have AI protection through decentralization. You can see all that I share with you about their all details. Every meme is message, every holder is a soldier. Escape is a new age rebellion and it's going viral. So now further you can see it here. Buy dollar Escape, stake for 280%, share your referral link and join digital uprising. This is not financial advice, it is a wake up call for all of you. Now further I will share with you about their white paper. Here the Escape white paper details is given. You can see the details about their white paper. They have given all the details. They have the power in taken banks and all details further. You can see it here, and it is a decentralized chain that pays the people AI resistant tool to the stop manipulation. Every meme is a battle cry. This is not hype, it's a war. It's not just talk. Dollar Escape gives the access to all 5 escapes, deflationary buns, taking reward, decentralized DAO governance, and all that. You can see they have given all that details here. So why Escape is going to moon? Because it's going to bring the massive return to the investors in terms of coin mooning value, passive income generating, etc. The escape is happening now. If you are hearing this, you are early. If you are waiting, you are already late. Get dollar Escape, join the resistance or stay trapped in their system. There is no middle ground here too. So see it here, you can easily be able to join their community on it. It is a very good project. I share all the details, so go and join that. If you like my video, give thumbs up, must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.